Thought I'd make a video and show you guys how to do it because it's totally working, guys, and it's completely for free. And you don't even need a computer, guys. You can actually just do this from your phone. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Gorilla Tag Mobile for iPhone and Android. You can play the full game. So I'm going to show you guys how to play. So if you guys are interested in having a Gorilla Tag mobile version, I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So this actually works, guys, and it's super cool. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to play Gorilla Tag on iPhone and Android. So first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com, find Gorilla Tag, and now before it downloads, there is one more step, guys, the verification. So pretty easy to do, but what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app store, and this will install the game into your phone. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see, guys, for it to download. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long. So if you guys play Gorilla Tag at all, you know it's not really a mobile game, but with this tutorial you can actually get it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. You know, Travel Town reach level 9, so make sure you guys do 2 of them. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, but that's how to play Gorilla Tag on your phone. So if you guys are interested in playing Gorilla Tag, now there's the mobile version available for you. So you can be like a powerful person in the Gorilla Tag online community. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, guys, if you want to play mobile Gorilla Tag. It's time to get down into it, and we can actually go ahead and play Gorilla Tag on iOS and Android. So that is so cool, guys, fully working. So peace out, guys. But yeah, this is super cool, and it fully works, guys, today.